In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a flyer in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to open Adobe Express. You want to go to the top left and you want to click on this plus button to actually create a new design. So you want to click on the create button here, scroll down, and by default you should be able to find a flyer over here. But if you can't see it, you can just go to the top here and type in flyer, okay? It's gonna pop it up if of course I can type it incorrectly. There we go. And you can then just click on it or browse templates. I'm gonna click on browse templates for now. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to give me an empty option over here. And if I go to templates over here on the left, I can then go and select any of these templates to get started, or I can even generate them with AI if I want to, okay? But for now, we're just going to go from scratch because, of course, generating and creating with AI or with templates is super simple. You just basically click and it's going to get everything ready just like this, which of course is quite convenient. But if you want to start from scratch, of course, you're going to have to add things from scratch from zero to beginning, okay? I'm actually going to go back here and I'm going to create a new one, which is going to be blank now. There we go. And there we go. We have a new, fresh, blank flyer. Now to create it, it's actually completely up to you what you want to do here, but the essentials are going to be over here on the left. So whenever you have a page, you can go to text where you can add text on here. You have different buttons, sign and labels, etc. You can go and add your title, heading, body text, etc. I'm going to just type in, for example, join us. Something like this, join us, and then I'm going to just go and pop it up like that, and I'm going to add a new text box here. It's going to be this one, add the grand opening or something like this, okay? There we go. And I'm going to put this down here, and then of course I'm going to, for example, add a new one down at the bottom, which is going to be, for example, on, let's do like August 10, okay? On August, or let's do 2nd, whatever, okay? So over here, I've just created like a sample little flyer. Now, of course, this in itself doesn't look so good because it's just the basics. It's just text over here. And what I'm going to do is now customize this and add some things on here to make it look much, much better. So let's get started. First, I'm going to actually turn this bold because I just prefer it to be bold, and I'm actually going to change the font. You can go and click on here and you'll be able to pick your fonts. It's going to give you different recommended fonts, and if you hover over it, it's going to show you exactly how it's going to look like if you select a specific font. I'm just going to go with this one right now. May not look the best for this, but still it's going to show you how it works, okay? I'm going to also pick this one to actually be over here. There we go. Now, when you've done that, you can then go to add content, and this is where the real fun starts. You can add media like photos, videos, music, or sound effects on here. Of course, in our case, only photos are gonna make the cut because we're creating a flyer, not a video, so we can't have any visual effects or videos or whatever. And you can, of course, upload your photos from here. You can generate images. You can view different images you have over here as options to actually be added on here. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. And then you have things like elements, which allows you to add elements on here. You have design assets. You have backgrounds. As you can see, you'll always get like a different kind of suggestions. I'm going to go and actually select this one, the opening over here. And as you can see, there we go. There's going to be like a bunch of different ones. I'm going to pick this curtain, for example, and as you can see, it's going to do it like this. You could also go and pick anything else like that or this or whatever you want to use. Of course, completely up to you. Let's just actually use something right now. Let's do it like that, okay? Now, in here, you can also see, you can search different recommendations, and you can also go back into your elements to go back and stuff like that. So yeah, you have shapes, you have icons, stickers, there's a bunch of things you can add on here and then customize according to your own personal needs. Oopsie. And then, yeah, you can just add things on. You can type in text in here. You can add images, different like labels, gadgets, whatever you want to add on here, and just present your info about your flyer that you are creating. I know this may not be the most beautiful thing I created right now, but still it gets the job done, and you kind of get the point how to do this, okay? Now, if at any point you want to go and remove backgrounds, erase things, remove objects, you can do it over here, of course, with the help of this AI feature they have in here. And you can also add on charts and grids if that's relevant to your kind of design over here. So if I want to add something on here like that, some data, for example, I could do this. If I wanted to go and add some generative AI, I could also go and generate images custom for this specific occasion, etc. Okay? So that's essentially how to create your flyer. If at any point you want to resize it, you could click on the resize up top, and you can just go and select the new size, click on the resize here at the bottom, and you'll basically be able to resize it. Then to share it or save it, up top right, you can share it with anyone you want, or you can download it and export it onto your computer, and then of course print it or post it or whatever you want to do with it, okay? So that's basically how to create a flyer in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.